Friends, one question. If I told you there's a waterfall in this world whose water is blood red, what would you say? If I said there's a waterfall with real fire burning right behind it, directly behind the water, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year? And if I said the world's biggest waterfall is one you've never been able to see because it's hidden 3,500 meters underwater in the ocean, would you think this is from some fantasy novel, a scene from a horror movie? Nah, friends, this is our real Earth we're talking about. Today we're heading to 10 waterfalls around the world, ones that aren't just beautiful, but so mysterious that scientists are still left stunned in front of them. Some are dangerous to approach, some are legally restricted, and for one of them, NASA believes it could be the biggest clue to life on Mars. A warning, don't stop this video halfway, because the fact at number 1, it'll completely change the way you think about which planet we're living on. Everything else can wait. This first. Number 10, Havasu Falls, Arizona, USA. That one. Friends, let's start with a place that looks like it came straight out of a painter's imagination. Right in the middle of Arizona's Grand Canyon, on land belonging to the Native American Havasupai tribe, hides Havasu Falls. The watercolor? So turquoise blue-green that at first glance, it looks like someone dumped food coloring in a swimming pool. But it's not artificial. It has so much calcium and magnesium that the water literally glows. But to get here, there's a lottery. Millions apply. Only a select few get the permit, meaning this waterfall chooses you. You don't choose it. A 10-mile hike on foot. No road, no shortcut. This waterfall demands your permission, but the next one is split between 2 countries and belongs to no one. Let's head there. Number 9. Ditian Falls, China and Vietnam. On the border between China and Vietnam lies Ditian Falls, and it's Asia's largest cross-border waterfall. Over 200 meters wide. During monsoon, its roar can be heard up to 2 kilometers away, like the ground itself is saying something. But its mystery isn't in the geography, it's in the history. For centuries, there was a secret smuggling route near this waterfall. Traders, smugglers, everyone used the cover of this waterfall to cross the border. The sound of the water was so loud that the guards couldn't hear a thing. Even today, locals say strange sounds come from here in the dark. Is it just the water or echoes from those old paths? No one knows. This cross-border waterfall was mysterious, but the next one was discovered by someone hunting for gold. Let's go to South America. Number 8. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Back in 1933, an American pilot, Jimmy Angel, was flying his small plane over Venezuela's jungles searching for gold. Didn't find gold, but what he found was so massive that today the waterfall bears his name. Angel Falls, 979 meters tall, the world's tallest waterfall. So tall that the water turns to mist before it even hits the bottom. From above, it looks like clouds dropped white threads onto the ground. Jimmy Angel went looking for gold, found a waterfall instead. Sometimes in life, Plan B turns out way better than Plan A. But the local Pimon tribe calls it Kerepakupai Vena, the place that comes from the deepest spot. They believe gods live here. No one goes near it at night. The pilot spotted this waterfall, but the next one is so hidden, no one can see it. Watch how. Number 7. Underwater Waterfall, Mauritius. Hold up. The next waterfall will make you say, "Bro, this is impossible." Off the coast of Mauritius, near Lemorne Peninsula, from above, in a drone or plane shot, it looks like there's a waterfall underwater, like the ocean water is pouring into some pit. The truth? It's an optical illusion. Sand and silt slide from the ocean floor into a deep trench. From above, it looks exactly like a waterfall. But the illusion is so perfect that even trained scientists were stunned the first time they saw it. Nature's most beautiful lie. That was a trick, looks real but isn't.
Now let's go to a place that looks real and you still can't believe it.
Number 6. Eternal Flame Falls, New York, USA. New York, where there are skyscrapers, Wall Street, Broadway, and in Chestnut Ridge Park, there's a waterfall with fire burning behind it. Yes, right behind the water. Real fire. Put it out, it lights up again. Every day, every season, rain or snow. Locals used to think it was supernatural, some divine sign. But science discovered that a crack in the rock releases natural gas, ethane and propane, that constantly seeps out and auto-ignites. But the real mystery, where exactly this gas is coming from in the geological formation, is still not fully confirmed. A study came in 2013, revised in 2019, still an open question. Go there at night, the sound of water and that orange flame behind it. It'll give you chills down your spine. The fire waterfall was scary, but the next one holds 2,000-year-old healing powers. Let's head to Turkey. Number 5. Pamukkale, Turkey. Imagine pure white rock terraces, turquoise pools on top, and ancient ruins in the background. This is Pamukkale, Turkish for Cotton Castle. These are thermal springs, 35-degree warm water, so full of calcium carbonate that over thousands of years it created these white stone terraces, like some giant built cotton stairs. Back in Roman Empire times, the city of Hierapolis stood here. People came from far and wide because they believed the water had healing powers. Some got cured, some stayed forever. For some, it was their final journey. 2,000 years ago, people's treatment plan was, let's go to Pamukkale. Today, our plan is, let's get that Instagram shot. Progress. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site now, but because of over-tourism, the pools are shrinking. In the next 20 years, it won't be what it is today. If you want to go, do it soon. Turkey had the healing waterfall. Now let's go to Antarctica, where there's a waterfall that bleeds blood. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Antarctica, white snow, silence, and from one glacier flows red water, like the ground itself is wounded. When it was first discovered in 1911, scientists thought it was red algae. Nope. Actually, beneath Taylor Glacier is an ancient lake, 2 million years old. It has so much iron that when the water comes out, it reacts with oxygen and turns blood red. But the real shock is still coming. In that ancient lake, they found bacteria living without oxygen for 2 million years, without sunlight, without any outside help. And that's exactly why NASA researches here, because if there's an underground lake on Mars or Europa, it could have similar bacteria. Antarctica held the blood mystery. Now let's go to a place so remote that reaching it is an adventure in itself. Number 3. Cayeter Falls, Guyana. Guyana, that part of South America where no roads go, no towns, just Amazon rainforest, and right in the middle, a waterfall that's one of the most powerful in the world by volume. Cayeter Falls, 226 meters tall. So much water pours per second that Niagara Falls looks 5 times smaller in comparison. You can only reach here by small charter plane, no road, no hotel, just you, the jungle, and that waterfall. There's a frog here, the golden rocket frog, found nowhere else in the world, only around this waterfall. Why? Science has no answer. The local Patamona tribe believes a spirit lives in this waterfall. An old story says a chief sacrificed his daughter to it. True or myth, no one can confirm, because anyone who stayed here at night never came back to tell the tale. Guyana's jungle waterfall done. Now we come to one everyone knows, but what even those who know it don't know will blow their minds. Number 2. Niagara Falls. Hold on, Niagara Falls? Everyone knows that. Yeah, but have you heard this?
In 1969, the American Army Corps of Engineers completely shut down Niagara Falls. Yes, the whole thing, for 6 months. They diverted the river, stopped the flow, and studied the dry Niagara. They wanted to see what was underneath and how much erosion was happening. And what did they find? On the riverbed, 2 human skeletons. No identification, no records. To this day, no one knows who they were. And another fact, Niagara retreats about 30 centimeters every year. In 12,000 years, it's already moved 11 kilometers. Geologists say in 23,000 years, it'll completely disappear. If you ever thought, "I'll visit Niagara later," that countdown is real. Niagara's countdown is running, but number 1's secret is even bigger. The waterfall that's in this world, but human eyes have never seen it.
Number 1. Denmark Strait Cataract. Friends, this is the moment. Between Greenland and Iceland, Denmark Strait, beneath the ocean surface, at a depth of 3,500 meters, a waterfall flows. It's called the Denmark Strait Cataract. Here, the cold, dense Arctic water plunges rapidly under the warmer Atlantic water. Speed, 175 million cubic meters per second. Fill the Amazon River 2,000 times, then you'll get how much water that is. This is the world's largest waterfall. Angel Falls, Niagara, Kyatur, all kids compared to this. So the biggest waterfall is the one you can't even see, just like that quiet kid who scores the highest in exams. No one can see it. No human eye has ever directly seen it. Discovered through submarines and sonar. And that's the biggest thing. The Earth we live on, 70% of it still holds things we can't see, can't touch, can't fully understand. We think we've gotten so smart, technology, internet, AI, but 3,500 meters down, the world's largest waterfall flows, silently, without anyone's permission. So friends, these were the 10 most mysterious waterfalls in the world. Some scared us, some stunned us, some reminded us that we still know very little about this planet. But one thing common in all of them, Earth challenges us every day. Every day brings some new discovery. And as long as we stay curious, this planet will keep surprising us. If this video taught you something new, hit like, share it with friends who think Earth is boring, and definitely subscribe, because in the next video, we'll explore the 10 places on Earth that are legally restricted to visit, and the secrets hidden there will blow your mind. Comment below, out of these 10, which waterfall shocked you the most? See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious. Keep asking questions.